One more saying kill again, Jordan Bunagan. I will shoot you a pellet gun. Oh. You know what? Jordan Bunagan, ha? I will not tolerate your accusations if I shoot you a pellet gun. Oh. You know Jordan Bunagan, we are enemies. If we are enemies, Jordan Bunagan, I will fight against you, Jordan Bunagan. I am done fighting with Wawel. I am done fighting with Paulo Cruzada. I will fight against you, Jordan Bunagan. If we are enemies, if you fight me in Caloocan, I'll fight you in San Juan. Oh, Jordan Bunagan, I will make you pay for what you brainwashing me to kill David Gill and his family. Jordan Bunagan, I will make you pay. You see this, Jordan Bunagan, a pellet gun? Oh, if you say about you said to me, oh, you forced Shania Kiana to kill me. You forcing me that you want to put me in electric chair. And even hanging me as committing suicide. If you don't really how to stop Jordan Bunagan, I will threaten you to shoot you a pellet gun. You hear me, Jordan Bunagan? Huh? You hear me? I will threaten you. I will be Miguelito or Tanggol. Huh? Jordan Bunagan, I had enough of your stupidity. You ruined Lord Jesus, who was a Palestinian. You ruined Mama Mary, and you don't listen about the 10 commandments, Jordan Bunagan. You are a devil, Jordan Bunagan. Huh? How come will you understand? Me, I am a Judaism. I love Jesus. Jesus is a Palestinian. I know I'm a Judaism, Christianity. And I know I love Jesus. I'm a former Shia Islam. And I love Jesus. I learned that from Kuya Bear. Jordan Bunagan, we are enemies. We are not friends in Facebook. We are enemies. Magkaaway tayo, Jordan Bunagan. Lintik ka, Jordan Bunagan. Putang ina mo, Jordan Bunagan. Sorry for my bad words. In Tagalog words, because Paula Nunez will heard that. Even Lawrence Villawan. It's a rated SPG, It's Yvette Jurado's word. Jordan Bunagan, I will make you pay. You sided with Bongbong Marcos. You sided with Benjamin Netanyahu. You are a piece of shit, Jordan Bunagan. You and Paulo Cruzada. Just like I said before, I trust Yair Lapid and Rodrigo Duterte. I don't want Philippines and Israel to get in war just like what happened in Iran. Iran is attacking Israel. If China attack Philippines, China will attack Philippines soon. If China invade Taiwan, I don't want to be happen as a World War III. If Netanyahu was resigned, if Yair Lapid and Rodrigo Duterte or even Sara Duterte will be a president of the Philippines, a third female, or even Yair Lapid will be a prime minister of Israel, there will be no wars in Israel and Iran. There will be no dispute between China and the Philippines. You remember that, Jordan Bunagan? And Paulo Cruzada and Wawel Romero, Jean Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio, and those CDIFI teachers and staff. I do not include Teacher May. I do not include Teacher Marisa. I include Teacher Alex, Sandria Pagkalinawan, And even Teacher Junelin Bactad. I do not include Teacher Gio. I do not include Teacher Vincent Ramos. I do not include them. Oh, you know, Jordan Bunagan, ang kapal ang mukha mo, Jordan Bunagan. You're threatening me to kill me, you're threatening me to put me in electric chair. Ah, I don't want to forgive you, Jordan Bunagan. If you apologize to me, I will not going to forgive you. The forgiven will not to be forgiven. Even David Gill and his family, they will not forgiven you. Kasalanan mo yan, Jordan Bunagan. You drag Roylan Marlang and Terra Francisco, even me, even Carlos Kanahashi, into your mess. You say you want to kill David Gill and his family. They will sue against you, Jordan Bunagan. Your art is very stupid. Just like Nigel Ernesto de Veria. Oh, look at the art of Cedric Mariano. Oh, wonderful. Oh, he drew Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, he draws Diwata. Oh, that's wonderful art. Oh, me, I learned about drawing at the time when I was 2016. Oh, you know that? Jordan Bunagan.